So guys, this is Hagiburot Street, corner Tel Aviv-Yafo Street, where is Kfar Saba train station is located. It's over there. It's Kfar Saba Nordau. Since Yom Kippur today, we are here in the middle of the street, so we can make a videos because no cars allowed on the street during the Yom Kippur. Only the bicycles, scooters, and but there are some people still using cars, but it's really not allowed. So by the way, this is Gilpas Mercasyom or Betabot, I mean. So dyan dinadala yung mga old people na hindi na kayang anuhan ng mga anak nila. And then this is very close where I work. Ayan, katabi lang ng aking trabaho. Ayan. So kung nakikita nyo, Hagiburot Street and Tel Aviv-Yafo Street. So okay, we go back now to my workplace. So lalakarin natin yan papunta, paakyat.